Welcome at Gates Business Services Europe, the organization established to elevate the efficiency of business processes at Gates. The Gates Corporation was established in 1911 in Denver, Colorado, for the whole century of innovation, constantly moving the boundaries of material limits to deliver the best-in-class power transmission and fluid power solutions to our customers. Now here in Wrocław, we would like to constantly improve our processes to push the boundaries of technology and human habits in our path towards operational excellence.
Our office is safe. We measure the temperature at the entrance, promote disinfection, we work partly from the office, partly from home, and keep social distancing if needed.
If you think about accounts payable department, you probably imagine office filled with tons of papers in stacks, overcomplicated procedures, and long chains of communication. I imagine flexible and innovative working place for our employees, eco-friendly and non-paperless environment, robotic solutions, real-life reporting, and excellent service delivery to our internal partners. Future is near. Let's touch it together.
I have joined Gates to create the accounts receivable team. Such values as dedication, passion, and creativity, this is what we are looking for in our candidates. Combination of those values will create the best-in-class accounts receivable process across the organization. Bringing much more efficiency and transparency into the process will definitely lead to increase of customer experience for our partners.
These days, reporting is not only about being accurate on time, it's also about giving insights to our business partners, our executives. Together we are going to create a reporting function that would add value across EMEA.
Becoming a pricing analyst is a great career opportunity for those who want to work in a fast-paced environment. This perfect combination between analytical thinking, business acumen, and being in constant communication with other people that offers plenty of room for growth and is a life-changing experience. It definitely was for me, and I'm really glad that it's possible to achieve it within Gates.
It was always important to me working with people who are passionate about their job. It's Gates, an exceptional place to work. So I am very happy to take part in the exciting mission implementing here modern and user-friendly system SAP S/4HANA. Only state-of-the-art technologies will help us to build innovative solutions for our global business and transform it into an intelligent enterprise.
Working for Gates is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The company is growing really fast and it's an exciting time for your development. Our office has an innovative solutions and it's a first-class place to work. The furnitures are smart and ergonomic. You can work by standing or sitting. We are taking care of well-being our employees, so every day there are fresh fruits and delicious catering available.
What convinced me to join Gates? On the one hand, being an essential part of a global organization, and on the other, building a kind of startup company. What does it mean for me? A great chance to build a culture, structure and HR processes from the scratch, together with an open-minded, flexible and enthusiastic team.
I decided to join Gates to maintain my passion to work with the professionals who are constantly challenging the status quo. Let's make this organization the great place for work for us and the great business service center for the Gates Corporation.